Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Chloe. So in today's video, we are going to be reviewing the Coco and Eve Sunny Honey Bali Bronzing Foam. I have seen Coco and Eve all over my TikTok page. Their hair masks, their body scrubs, all over Instagram. I know that it's a super popular tanning product, and you guys know I'm an advocate for self-tanning over tanning in the sunshine and getting the harsh UV rays. So when they reached out to me, I was super excited. This video is not sponsored, so I'm still gonna give you guys a full in-depth review and my personal thoughts and opinions on this product. And if you guys know, it is my birthday this weekend, so I am tanning to try and get a nice glow. But I'm also leaving tomorrow, so I need this tan to be quick. So this tanner has a fast drying formula, and this formula develops in about 2 hours. As some of you guys might know, I just got back from Hawaii, so I do have a bit of a tan. However, the current tan that I have is super uneven. If you guys can see on my back, I have bathing suit tan lines. So like any regular tanning routine, I think one of the most important steps is to prep your base. So in this case, I'm going in with the KP Bump Eraser Body Scrub, and then I'm going to go and shave after that. So we're exfoliating, we're shaving, and then we are going to go ahead and start with the product. The products that we're using today are the Coco and Eve Sunny Honey Bali Bronzing Foam. We also have a Velvet Self Tan Applicator Mitt. We have their vegan Kabuki Self Tan Brush. And I think my favorite part that came is actually the back applicator. So we're gonna take a couple pumps of the self-tanning foam and we're gonna rub this onto our skin, making sure we're not missing any areas. There are 3 shades of this product. There's medium, dark, and ultra dark. For this video though, I'm going to be using the medium shade. I really think that a little bit of tanning product went a long way. If you guys can tell by my face, I'm already shocked at the instant tan. This product is vegan, 100% natural DHA, cruelty-free, and paraben-free. After tanning my arms, chest, stomach, and legs, I started to tan my back. This was actually my first time using a back applicator to tan, and I was really surprised that the foam stayed on. I totally thought it was going to fall off. Overall, it was really easy to use. You just have to make sure that you roll your shoulders in a little bit to make your back round so that no self-tanner gets stuck between your shoulder blades. Now we're going to use the Kabuki brush. This is my first time using a Kabuki brush to self-tan. The soft bristles are to sweep over tricky to tan areas like your hands, neck, feet, and face. I'm putting a small amount onto the brush and gently brushing it onto my face, trying to make sure it's as even as possible. One thing I decided to try is actually contouring with the self-tanner. I think this brush is perfect to do that. I know I might look crazy right now, guys, but trust me, trust the process. It actually turns out really good. For cleanup, all we have to do is rinse the Kabuki brush under some cold water. Also rinse out the tanning mitt and the back applicator, and then set them aside to dry until you're ready to use them next. This is the tanning result after about 2 hours of waiting. Overall, guys, I am really impressed with this self-tanner. My initial reaction is that it was dry, super quick. I know sometimes after I self-tan, I feel like I need to go and stand in front of my fan just to make sure that I am dry. Like, I don't want to sit anywhere. I don't want to risk getting tan anywhere, but I thought this dried super quick. This tan is supposed to last about 7 days, and this formula develops in about 2 hours. For me, that is great because usually when I'm self-tanning, I'm doing it last minute. The smell of this tanner, it smelled kind of sweet, like a little bit like honey, but I would say it smells like sunshine in a bottle, if that makes sense. I'm filming this portion of the video on the same day, so you guys can kind of see how the tan is looking now. It's been about 3 hours. Like I said, I know I was tanned before, but I can really tell a difference between how even the tan is now and how glowy it looks. If you guys are interested in trying the Coco and Eve Bali Bronzing Foam, I will leave my affiliate link down below. Thank you, Coco and Eve, again for gifting me this product. Now I'm gonna insert some pictures from this weekend so you guys can see how the tan turned out in photos. So I think that's gonna be everything for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys are new here, it would mean so much to me if you took the time to like and subscribe. And I will see you guys in tomorrow's video. Bye!